Hello bachcho, let's see this question, and the question says that in the commercial manufacture of nitric acid, how many moles of NO2 produce 7.33 moles of HNO3 in the reaction. तो reaction हमारे पास ये given है, तो we have to find out कि 7.33 moles of HNO3 से आप कितना moles of NO2 produce होता है. So the key concept of the question is mole concept. So जैसा कि reaction में given है, that is plus so reaction से हम we can clearly see that 3 moles of NO2 produces 2 moles of HNO3. या फिर ये स्टेटमेंट को हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं 2 moles of HNO3 formed from 3 moles of NO2. 1 mole of nitric acid will be formed by 3/2 moles of NO2. So हम clearly लिख सकते हैं 1 mole of HNO3 is formed by 1.5 moles of NO2. तो जो हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग गिवन है, सो 7.33 moles of HNO3 will be formed by 7.33 multiplied by 1.5 moles of NO2, and the product comes out to be 10.995 moles of NO2. So we can write that 7.33 moles of HNO3 are produced by 10.995 moles of NO2. I hope you all understood well. Thank you.